Okay, for dividing using models with money, we're going to use money this time. Let's first break down this question and see exactly how much money we need to get to practice with. If Anna had $136 and she wanted to divide, I think that's supposed to say it, equally with two other friends, how much would they all have? Let's write an equation for that. I know she's starting with 136, so that's going to be my number in the house. And if she's dividing it with two other friends, that tells me she's also getting some, so it's not going to be just two people, it's going to actually be three people getting the money. All right, let's get $136. Got my fancy 100 here. $100. And then I don't have any 20s, so I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 30s, or 10s to make 30. And then I've got a 5 and a 1. I've got $136. Okay. The first step is we're going to start with the 100, the big one. We can't divide that 3 different ways, so we've got to trade this for 10 tens. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I ran out. I'm going to make some here. Actually, here we go. 8, 9, and this is going to be my really fancy one here. 10. You may have to share with somebody since we don't have enough money in our kits here. All right, so I've got 10 tens, which makes 100. I've still got 3 tens here, so we can combine those for 30, and then I've got my 6 here. So the first step is I'm going to divide this into 3 different groups. So I've got 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. I've got 1 left over. I can't divide that between the 3. I'm going to separate this into 1s. Since I have to divide it into 3 different groups, I can't do 10s because that would only give me 2. So I'm going to take the 10 and get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, and now I have a 5. I can't divide that between 3 groups, so I'm going to also trade this for 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now let's separate it out. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I have 1 left over. Let's see how much I have in each group. Here's my 1 remainders up here. Got 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So my answer, in each group, I should have $45 with a remainder of $1. Let me just make sure that I've got 45 in each. 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So everybody would get $45 with a remainder of $1 left over.